Hi there, students. To throw a spanner in the works, to put a spanner in the works, or as the Americans say, to throw a wrench in the works or a monkey wrench in the works. Okay, a spanner in the works is something that prevents a plan or an activity from succeeding. So we were having a lovely picnic, and then suddenly it started to pour with rain, and that really put a spanner in the works. Yeah, so it stopped the picnic from continuing. Their star player was injured together with several other players, and that really put a spanner in the works for their hopes to win the championship. They lost a game that they expected to win, and that put a spanner in the works. The area available to build the house was much smaller than the architect had expected, and that threw a spanner in the works. So was a major problem. Yeah, it disrupted or foiled the plan. Yeah, so to put a spanner in the works, to disrupt a plan, an activity, a project. Yeah, it's something that spoils or prevents somebody from doing something. I don't know, maybe for Mr. Trump, the election put a spanner in the works. Yeah, it stopped his ambitions from continuing. Okay, so a spanner. That is a spanner. Yeah, and you throw a spanner in the works. It's like putting this in the middle of a machine. Notice the Americans say to throw a monkey wrench in the works, or a wrench, and this is a monkey wrench. Yeah, a monkey wrench and a spanner. Yeah, normally in British English we say a spanner, the Americans say a wrench, and that particular one is a monkey wrench. And the works is the machinery. So very probably the origin of this is from the 1800s, when the Luddites wanted to stop industrialization because they were frightened they were going to lose their jobs. This still happens today, and they did this literally by throwing things into the machines that were making textiles. I think mostly this phrase, to throw a spanner in the works, is British rather than American, but the Americans do use it because clearly there's an American version thereof. Okay, so to put a spanner in the works, the funding was withdrawn from the project, and that really put a spanner in the works. Yeah, it made it impossible or very difficult to continue. So what about formality? I think I'd probably give this 4 in formality, maybe 4.5. Use it informally, maybe use it up to a semi-formal writing, but not in something very formal. Yeah, to end somebody's ambitions, to make it impossible to continue, something like that. Okay, so to put a spanner in the works. He was going to give a live stream, but his internet connection was cut off, and that really put a spanner in the works. Okay, to stop somebody from proceeding. Yeah, so put or throw. Remember, both put and throw are irregular verbs. Okay, so it seems that nothing has thrown a spanner in the works for me to make this video. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. bye for now, to put or throw a spanner in the works.